Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about abstraction and object-oriented programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is abstraction in object-oriented programming? Abstraction is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming or OOP that involves simplifying complex systems by modeling classes based on the essential characteristics and behaviors while hiding unnecessary details. It allows developers to focus on relevant aspects of an object and ignore the irrelevant ones. In OOP, abstraction involves creating abstract classes or interfaces that define the common properties and behaviors of a group of related objects. These abstract classes or interfaces serve as blueprints for concrete classes which are then created based on the abstraction. We have here key elements of abstraction in object-oriented programming or OOP include number 1, abstract classes. These are classes that cannot be instantiated on their own and may contain abstract methods without implementation. Subclasses must provide concrete implementations of these abstract methods. So we have example here in Java. Number 2, interfaces. Interfaces are similar to abstract classes but can only contain abstract methods. Classes can implement multiple interfaces, allowing for a form of multiple inheritance. So we have also here in Java an example. And then third, encapsulation. Abstraction is closely related to encapsulation, which involves bundling the data or attributes and methods that operate on the data within a single unit or class. Access to the internal details of the object is controlled through access modifiers. So we have here another example written in Java. By using abstraction, developers can create models that represent real-world entities in a simplified and modular way. This simplification makes it easier to manage and maintain large software systems, promotes code reuse through inheritance, and enhances the overall structure and organization of the code. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation on what is abstraction is object-oriented programming, a very important concepts if you want to learn object-oriented programming. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.